Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Bio Classes based on NCERT syllabus for PUC first and second year. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like and share and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications as soon as videos are getting uploaded. Okay, today we shall start the class with the mammary gland. Okay, in our previous video we have discussed about the female reproductive system. Today we shall discuss about this mammary gland. Okay, it is a sectional view of mammary gland, right? So this mammary gland, this was the fourth part of the female reproductive system. So about this mammary gland we have here on the page number 46, right? So we shall discuss about that. Mammary gland, it is a main characteristic feature of all mammals. Okay, it is a characteristic feature of all female mammals. Okay, of all female mammals, which means mammalia, the family mammalia. Okay, in the class mammalia you will find that mammals, it has been given term because of the presence of mammary gland. Okay, so this mammary glands, these are paired. These are paired gland present in the breast region. Alright, these are paired. Two mammary glands are present in the breast region, and this contain glandular tissue with some amount of, okay, it contains glandular tissue and it also contains variable amount of fat. Okay, variable amount of fat, right? So it consists of a glandular tissue and even some amount of fat. The glandular tissue, this glandular tissue which is present in the breast region, it is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. 15 to 20 mammary lobes are present in glandular tissue, which means glandular tissue is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. These lobes contains, okay, these lobes contains clusters of cells. Okay, it consists of clusters of cells, and these clusters of cells are called as alveoli. Okay, alveoli or alveolus, right? Glandular tissue, it has been divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes, and these lobes consist of clusters of cells called as alveoli. Now this alveoli, their function is, the cells of this alveoli will secrete milk. Okay, the cells of this alveoli will secrete milk. This milk is stored in the lumen, or it is also called as cavity of alveoli. Okay, now this alveoli, they are present something like this. These are the alveoli. In that alveoli, the cells of these alveoli will secrete milk, and it is stored inside the cavity of this alveoli or lumen of the alveoli. The alveoli will get open into mammary tubules. These alveoli will open here in the form of mammary tubules. Okay, they are getting open in mammary tubules. Okay, this will open into the mammary tubules. Then you will find that these mammary tubules which are present here, they will join, right? They will join to form a mammary duct. So this is alveoli, this is mammary tubule, and these mammary tubules will join to form mammary duct. Okay, so many of the mammary ducts will join. Now this is one mammary duct, and here also alveoli will be present. It also consists of its mammary tubules, and this one will join. Many mammary ducts will join to form mammary ampulla. Okay, it will join to form mammary ampulla. Okay, this mammary ampulla, it is connected with the lactiferous duct. Here you can find, here there will be presence of nipple, here there will be presence of lactiferous duct. Okay, and through lactiferous duct the milk is sucked out. So we were here as we have mentioned, mammary tubules. Many of the mammary tubules will join to form mammary duct, and many mammary ducts will join to form mammary ampulla, and this mammary ampulla is connected to lactiferous duct. Through this lactiferous duct, milk is sucked out. Okay, so this is the explanation of that mammary gland. Now in this mammary gland, if you see through this diagram, you will find something like this. Now here they have shown about the ribs. Okay, these are the ribs and muscles between the ribs, right? So, and then you will find there is pectoralis, major muscle. This is the muscle present in the breast region, and this is the mammary gland. Now in this mammary gland, we said that it consists of glandular tissue, right? As we have said here, as we have explained here, it is paired, present in the breast region, and it consists of glandular tissue and some amount of fat, right? So this is the fat, as you can find in the diagram. Okay, this is the right. Okay, this is the fat. This is the fat where it has been stored, and you will find there are mammary loops. Mammary loops, how it appears here, it is not that clear, it is not visible. Mammary loops will be something like this, in this form. Okay, now these are the mammary loops. Inside the mammary loops there are presence of alveolus. Okay, mammary loops are there. Mammary loops consist of a cluster of cells, as you can find. These are those cluster of cells, something like this. These clusters of cells, we call it as alveoli, right? Those are here, mammary alveolus. Now this alveoli will secrete milk, and that milk is stored in the lumen, as we said already. These alveoli, they are getting opened in the tubules. Here it is not that clear, which as I have shown it here. If you concentrate here, you will get it. So these are mammary tubules, which will, many mammary tubules will join to form a mammary duct. Okay, so here directly they have shown about the mammary duct. Now many mammary ducts to form mammary ampulla, which is present in this region. Now this part, which is at the tip region, that we call it as lactiferous duct. Okay, so many of the ampulla will join to form lactiferous duct, and through this lactiferous duct, with the help of nipple, which is present at the tip of this region, that milk is sucked out. Okay, now this outer this one membrane is called as areola. Outer membrane is called as areola, and this is the structure of mammalian gland. Okay, hope you understood this. So this structure is very important. It has been asked to draw for 3 marks, and it has been asked to explain for 5 marks. Very important. Both female reproductive system diagram and this diagram is very important. Now I shall talk about, okay, now I shall discuss about functions of this one, female reproductive system, right? Functions of female reproductive system. In that, first one is oogenesis. Okay, oogenesis is what? That the process of formation of egg, as we have discussed about spermatogenesis. Now here it consists of vagina, female reproductive system. Vagina receives the seminal fluid. Okay, vagina receives the seminal fluid during copulation. Is it? During copulation, the male penis is releasing its sperms in the vagina. So vagina, its function is, it is used to release that seminal fluid during copulation. Okay, third one, fertilization. Fourth one, implantation. Okay, fifth one, parturition. Sixth one, secretion of female hormones. Secretion of female hormones. Okay, which female hormones? Like estrogen, progesterone, and relaxin, and many other hormones are also there, which I shall discuss when I am going to discuss completely in detail about it. Now, in this functions of female reproductive system, I think we have understood only oogenesis and this one. Rest of the topics, rest of the points which I have given, that I shall explain, because each one we are discussing separately in my next videos. So till then, wait and watch, and we shall discuss about each one. These are the some of the functions of female reproductive system. In female reproductive system, what is mainly important is this diagram with the explanation, that is mammary gland, and we had discussed about this diagram, right? This diagram, only diagram, is also important with that explanation also. Many of the times we got only diagram, sometimes we have got with explanation. If you know the diagram, then easy to explain. So I request you all to go through both the diagrams, where you will get definitely one question from this. Which one? Female reproductive system or from male reproductive system, for 5 marks. Okay, definite one question from either male or a female reproductive system in diagrams for 5 marks. Okay, sorry for uploading the video too late. I know you were waiting for my video, and if you are getting bored because I am using the textbook and explaining it, please comment it in the comment box. I think I tried to use screen recorder, some other methods, but I felt that it is like reading in front of the screen. That's it. I didn't found that I am doing some bit to explain this to the students. So that's why I am following the same method. I have tried others too, but I felt this is the better method. If you want something else, please comment it in the comment box. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell icon. We shall meet in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.